no modo batucadeira, nos inspiração da escola inteira, música.
Hi ladies, today I wanted to share with you a Kizomba fusion dance move that we can do when we're lady styling, when we're feeling the music, when we just want to dance and enjoy ourselves. I would say it's an intermediate level, but you can try and see if you're at beginner level, you want to have a go at it. By all means you can do. So let's crack on. We start with the left leg up. So it's and, put it down on 1. Right leg up, and down on 2, and 3. We go, and 4. We step on 5, and 6, 7. We finish on 8. Yeah, again, we go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yeah. From behind we go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So it's 2 syncopations to end. When we're here, we go and 4, 5, syncopate, left, right, left, finish with the right to step forward. Yeah, to music.
Escute primeiro, oi, Bela, Bela, eu vim de longe, sou garoto. Bela, oh Billy Bela, minha Djodje Bela, inaladeira onde cubai, que tenho tu mulher que tá sobressai, boque mama, que tá manda, jabu ganha, ali tá sabe, ela jabu ganha, que tem nenhum dinheiro, que tá bomba estrangeiro, pra ficar longe bom, tá com todo mundo batucadeira, nos inspiração da escola inteira, música e brincadeira, tá com todo mundo batucadeira.